Hey guys, what's up? This is Devasmita and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be a usual DIY or photo shoot video. It's gonna be a makeup video. In today's video, I'm gonna show how I do my makeup and what products do I use. Now, I'm not an expert into this. This is something that I love to do and it works for me. So if I'm doing anything that's wrong, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely try to improve on it. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you're not following me on Instagram, you can go and follow me there as well. Now without further ado, let's just get into the video quickly.
So that's how my face looks without makeup. I'm using the aloe vera and sandal gel and applying it all over my face. Here I am not gonna apply any primer as the gel does the work. So I'm just dabbing it on my skin and then just dab. The first product that I am going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. And this one is a medium coverage and a very lightweight concealer. Just applying it under my eyes and areas where I have acne spots and marks. And then on my chin and nose and especially on my eyelids as I have dark lids, and then applying more under my eyes and the remaining product on forehead and other areas. Now I'm just gonna dab this using my fingers. That's how I like to do it. You can use a blender as well. I'm just gonna do it very roughly as I am gonna use my brush to blend it properly. Now you see that I'm dabbing it on my cheeks and eyelids properly because that is the area where I have spots and marks. Then I'm using my brush to blend it perfectly. This step is very important because otherwise the skin would look very patchy and you don't want to look patchy, so keep blending and blend in the inner corners of your eyes and nose properly. So there we go, you already see the difference. Now it's time for some foundation and I am using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 332, and this foundation is the only foundation that works for me. So just taking a little amount of it and applying it on my cheeks and little on my forehead and then blending it using my brush. So that's how I like to use my foundation. I don't apply it all over my face and you see that it looks very natural. Now moving towards our next step, that is eyebrows. And this part is my favorite part. I like to use my old mascara wand and use that to brush my brows. This is something that works so great and it becomes easy to shape the eyebrows. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild brown pencil to fill in my eyebrows, and this shade is so natural and it's like a perfect shade for everyday use. You can actually use this as a liner or kajal as well. And then I am just gonna brush my brows again and then blend it in, and that's how my eyebrows look like. Now I am using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette and then mixing these two colors and applying it all over my lids, and the pigmentation of this palette is so good. Also the shades are very everyday use kind of shades. So I am applying 2 layers of eyeshadow and then blending it properly on the outer sides to merge it. That's how your eyes would look really natural. Also applying it on my other lid similarly, and you see that's how the eyeshadow looks like. I am not done with the eyeshadow yet. I'm gonna apply the lighter shade below my eyebrows like this. This actually brightens up your eyes and your brows as well, and it looks more defined. Then it's time for some shimmer. So using my NK Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. This palette is a very colorful palette and I am using the rose gold shimmer and just gonna apply it on center of my lid like this and then mix it with the eyeshadow. You see that my eyes look much brighter and bigger. It instantly adds that glow to your eyes. Now shimmer is something that I don't use on regular basis, but it looks really good in pictures. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm using the Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner in the shade brown, and I'm trying to do a winged liner. It's a real struggle to get a perfect winged liner, and even if you get it, it's so difficult to get the same on your other eye. I always mess up with the eyeliner. Do let me know in the comment if this happens with you as well. And finally got my eyeliner on one eye. I'm just gonna quickly do my other eye. Using the Voluminous Slash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. This mascara just instantly adds volume to the lashes, and if you are someone like me who has small lashes, you can give it a try, but won't recommend this for a regular use because it's so thick and hard to get rid of it easily. So anyways, then using my dry wand, just gonna move it on my lashes to separate them, then taking little amount of eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line like this. I actually applied the same color that I had on my lid and my eye look is complete. Now I am using this blush from Sugar. It's the Peach Peak blush. This is a very nude shade and it's barely visible, and it adds like a very little tint on the cheek so that it doesn't look too much and gives like a very natural feel. Now applying it on my nose as well, and I am done with my blush. Now it's time for some highlighters. So I'm using the Sugar Champagne Champion highlighter and I am trying to make an exclamation mark, but I ended up forming a straight line and then applying it on my forehead, chin, lips, and applying more on my lips and on my forehead as well for that extra glow. And now we are gonna apply it on my cheekbones and mix it properly, and we are done with the highlighter and you see the face glows. Next step is to apply lipstick, and I am using the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice and then applying it on my lips like this. I have only applied one layer of it and then I am gonna pout like this. And then I like to apply a little shimmer on center of my lips, and that's it. My look is complete and that's how the makeup looks like. Now it's time for some pictures.
I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know in the comment section below if I should do more of these videos, and I am gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.